So if your site needs any kind of animation, like the hero scroll effect I'm about to build, ChatGPT alone won't get you there. That's where aggregator tools come in. These tools give you access to every major image and video generation model from one tab. The one I use is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is a paid service, but their plans are reasonable. And if you use the ElevenLabs link in the description below, you'll get 50% off your first month of the Creator Plan, which gets you access to everything I'm about to demonstrate. Inside ElevenLabs here, I generate an image with ChatGPT's image model. Once that renders, I'll pick one of the 4 options, and then drop that exact image in as the starting frame for Google's VO 3.1 to turn it into a video. Then, once I get the output for that, I'll select one of the options, then upscale the result with Topaz, all without leaving the tab. That's the workflow we're using to create the hero asset for our steakhouse here. Here's the trick that makes this fast. You don't have to write the image prompt yourself. Claude already knows your project, so you can ask Claude to write the image generation prompt for you. You paste that prompt into your image generator, and you get something that matches your brand and your existing design aesthetic on the first try. Once you have your asset, drop it into your project folder, and Claude has everything it needs.